Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the Scout Guide for Fundamentals. Slogan, spirit, and law. The- we are now going to see what is these are the four fundamentals. Scouting guiding is based on the four fundamentals as follows. First fundamental is character development, leading to an overall development as noble citizens useful for the country and the society at large. Virtuous as ideal citizen develop good qualities of leadership during training. It is a first character development is the first fundamentals. Second, we'll see the health. Very important fundamentals. Exercises, life in the open air, camping and hiking make him physically strong and mentally alert. Good habit formation is a part of movement. This is the second, that is the health fundamentals. Third, now we'll see the third fundamental, development of skills. Very important. Handicrafts, making useful gadgets, making best from waste, to be helpful to others, pioneering projects, community services in case of calamities, using various skills. She becomes self-reliant and innovative using improvised materials. Now we'll see the next, that is a fundamental service. Is also very important. She utilizes all her skills and forms habits of being useful to others. She is ready to help others without any orders and without expecting any reward. In scouting, we call it a good turn. Service to humanity is service to God. Now we'll see the Scout Guide slogan. Scout Guide slogan is do a good turn daily. ये स्लोगन है. इसका मीनिंग, a good turn is a small act of kindness to others without accepting any reward in return. Now next we'll see the Scout Guide spirit. Scout Guide spirit is self-reliance, self-sacrifice and self-control. Now we see the meaning. Members incorporating these ideals into their daily lives at home, at school, in their religious life, and in their neighborhoods, for example, are said to have Scout Guide spirit. Now we'll see the Scout Guide law. Scout Guide law, there are 9 laws. We shall the first numberly. That is the first law, Scout Guide first law. A Scout Guide is trustworthy. Second law, a Scout Guide is loyal. Third law, a Scout Guide is a friend to all and a brother, sister to every other Scout Guide. Fourth law, a Scout Guide is courteous. Fifth law, a Scout Guide is friend to animals and loves nature. Next, sixth law, a Scout Guide is disciplined and helps to protect public property. Seventh law, a Scout Guide is courageous. Eighth, a Scout Guide is thrifty. Ninth law, a Scout Guide is pure in thought, word and deed. इसी प्रकार के 9 लॉज है. 9 लॉज के हिसाब से बराबर हमें उसी प्रकार से ओबे करने का है और उसके ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान देके कोई भी काम स्काउट गाइड है इसलिए बराबर करने का है. और लास्ट लॉज है स्काउट गाइड प्योर इन थॉट, वर्ड एंड डीड. अपने विचार अच्छा होना चाहिए, अपने वर्ड अच्छा होना चाहिए और अपना कृत्य अच्छा होना चाहिए. थैंक यू.